leisure and sports. Soccer is an exciting sport. Players kick the ball and try to score as many goals as possible against the other team. What do players do in a soccer game? Anna plays the piano every afternoon. She likes to sing along when she plays. What does Anna do every afternoon? Swimming is a fun activity that can be practiced everywhere. People can swim in pools, lakes, rivers, and the ocean. Where can people swim? Every Saturday, Tom goes bike riding with his friends. They usually take the path that goes around their town. Where does Tom ride his bike? Jenny enjoys reading, especially at night. She puts on her pajamas, then gets into her warm bed, where she reads until she falls asleep. Where does Jenny like to read? Basketball is a sport where players run, jump, and throws the ball into the hoop to score points. What do players do in a game of basketball? Peter loves photography. He likes to take pictures of flowers, birds, mountains, lakes, and rivers. What kind of things does Peter like to photograph? Anna likes dancing. The music makes her feel happy and helps her relax. Why does Anna like dancing? Tennis is a sport where players hit a ball with a racket across a net. The player who cannot return the ball loses a point. How are points scored in tennis? Mia likes hiking. When she hikes, she wears good shoes, light clothes, a good hat, and carries a backpack. What does Mia wear while hiking? Olivia likes to draw. She uses pencils to draw houses, animals, and people in her notebook. What does Olivia like to draw? Oliver loves playing board games. He likes to play with his family and friends, sometimes with his classmates. They have a lot of fun together. Who does Oliver play board games with?